That sound. The one you hope you never hear on a dark, empty road. In that moment, your entire world shrinks to one question: what now? The old gas station pump is broken, dead, or miles away. But what if the solution was already in your trunk? We subjected the newest 2026 portable inflators to a torture test: sub-zero cold, blistering heat, and marathon inflation runs. Most promised a lifeline. Several cracked under pressure. But one didn't just work. It performed with a speed and reliability that redefines what a pocket-sized hero can be. Let's find it. Number 1. Milwaukee M18 Inflator. The fastest 18V cordless tire inflator is designed for efficiency and speed, capable of inflating 33-inch light truck tires in under 1 minute. This powerful tool is optimized for a variety of uses, making it suitable for passenger cars, light trucks, and other medium-duty tires. Included with the inflator are a comprehensive set of accessories that enhance its versatility and functionality. This set features an all-brass Schrader chuck which ensures a secure and reliable connection with your tire valves, reducing the risk of leaks during inflation. Additionally, the package includes an inflation needle that can be used for sports equipment or inflatables, an inflator nozzle for wider openings, and a Prester chuck which is perfect for road bikes with Prester valves. Number 2. AstroAI S8 Air Jump Starter. This jump starter is universally compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, motorcycles, lawn mowers, SUVs, snowmobiles, boats, and more. It enables you to safely jumpstart a dead battery in a matter of seconds with its compact and powerful design. The jump starter boasts an impressive peak output of 3000 amps, which allows it to produce up to 20 jump starts on a single charge. This makes it an efficient option for those who might need to jumpstart multiple vehicles or for roadside emergencies. It is capable of handling engines with a rating of up to 9 liters for gasoline and 6.5 liters for diesel, making it suitable for a variety of vehicle types. Number 3. Fanttik X8 Apex Tire Inflator Portable. Under typical outdoor temperatures, the X8 Apex Inflator is engineered for optimal performance and can operate continuously for an impressive 40 minutes from a full charge. This means that it is designed to handle extended use without needing a recharge shortly after starting, making it perfect for those who have multiple tires to inflate or need to perform tire maintenance on various vehicles. Additionally, it features an innovative proprietary cooling function that allows it to pump air into up to 16 tires without any downtime. This unique feature ensures that users do not have to pause for cooling, providing a seamless and efficient experience. The X8 Apex also boasts a one-click operation mode, which significantly simplifies the inflation process. It offers for preset inflation modes tailored for different types of vehicles, bicycles, motorcycles, cars, and even balls. Number 4. TREKURE 10-in-1 Car Battery Jump Starter. The portable jump starter is a powerful and essential tool for a variety of vehicles, boasting an impressive 8000 A peak current. This robust feature allows it to reliably start all 12V gasoline vehicles as well as diesel vehicles with engines up to 12L. One of its standout features is the built-in forced start function, which enables users to revive their vehicles even if the battery is completely dead. This makes it an ideal solution for unexpected breakdowns, providing peace of mind for drivers. The jump starter is designed to be user-friendly, allowing even beginners to master its operation quickly with just 3 simple steps. Its compact and portable design makes it convenient for storage in your vehicle, ensuring that you are prepared for emergencies on the road. This jump box is not just a jump starter, it is an essential emergency tool that every driver should have on hand. Number 5. VTOMAN X1 Jump Starter. This VTOMAN X1 lithium battery car starter stands out in the automotive accessories market due to its integration of multiple practical functions. This versatile device is much more than a traditional portable car jump starter. It also features a tire inflation function, a pressure gauge, a portable power box, and 3 modes of lighting: flashlight, strobe light, and SOS. This makes it an essential tool for anyone who may encounter roadside emergencies, engage in outdoor adventures, or simply needs a reliable companion for daily commuting. One of the most impressive attributes of the VTOMAN X1 is its powerful startup performance. It boasts a remarkable 2500A peak current, allowing it to instantly start 12V vehicles, including gas engines up to 8.5 liters and diesel engines up to 6.0 liters. This capability is especially valuable in extreme weather conditions, as this robust car battery jump starter can successfully start a vehicle up to 50 times on a single charge. Moreover, it is engineered for longevity, with a service life exceeding 1,000 recharge cycles, making it a durable investment for motorists. And just like that, you're back on the road. That's the power of being prepared. To get you equipped, all the top inflators from this test, plus the essential tire repair kits and storage bags we recommend, are linked for you in the description below. If this review could one day save your weekend, or your safety, pay it forward, hit that like button. Share this with every driver you care about. And subscribe. Because next, we're testing the emergency jump starters that claim to replace bulky cables. The results will shock you. Stay safe out there.